show you how to paint this beautiful little owl. This owl was voted on by my subscribers, and they asked me to do this owl next, and they voted on it and got the most votes. So I'm going to show you how to do the techniques and how I got these beautiful feathers and beautiful eyes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started painting. So all you need for this painting is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and cad yellow and cad red, and some black and white. And that's all you need for this painting. And also, the brushes that you need are your bristle brush, 1 inch, and maybe another smaller one, and some small round brushes, and a flat synthetic brush, and maybe a little filbert brush. And so these are the brushes. They can be like these, or you know, whatever you have there, small brushes and something to tap on your grass. And so that's it for now. So let's get started painting. Now all I'm going to do is mix up a nice little background for the owl. And I just decided to make a nice little soft background. So I'm just going to put on a bit of blue first, as if it's a sky there. But you can have any kind of background that you want. So I'm just going to lay on some blue, and I want it to be nice and bright. There we go. I'm using my bristle brush because I find that the synthetic brushes don't smooth out the painting. I have to go over and over and over it. So what I do is I use my bristle brush and see how it makes the paint flow, and it all blends together really well. Okay, that's my brush that I love so much. This is it here, and if you can't find it in your local hardware store, or you can't find it in your craft store, let me know and I'll send one to you, okay? So that's it, and now I'm going to use another color to go with this one. And I want to make sure that I got this the way I want it. Now guys, go ahead and do whatever kind of background you want, okay? Anything at all. You can have a background of faded out trees and leaves and things in the background if you want. You could have hills in the background. All kinds of good things. So I'm just going to concentrate on the owl. So I'm just going to put in a nice little blue background, sky, maybe a bit of grass at the feet. Now I just want to add a little bit of color to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my brush. And I'm going to let's put a little bit of red and yellow together. See what that looks like. And some white. See what that looks like. A bit more yellow. Alright. A bit more red. So you have to make these decisions. That wasn't too easy to say. So you go back and forth. This really pretty color. Yellow and red. See how pretty that is? And some white. Look how nice that is. Now, as you come down, you can have it darker, you can have it lighter. Just mix up some color. Go back and forth. I'm going to darken up a small bit, I think, because when I put the owl on, I want to be able to have something nice there. There we go, that's pretty. I want to blend that in with the blue sky. Just go right up into your blue. It's okay if the colors mix a little bit. Now if your blue is dry, don't go up there, because it'll only cover up your blue. So everything has to be wet when you're blending, okay? Wet on wet. Good. It's a nice little background. Yeah. Blend away. As long as it's wet, you're fine. Now, Now down here where there's an opening here, I'm going to throw a bit of grass in there just for now. I might change my mind later, but I want to have something on there just to get it started. So I'm just going to take some blue and some yellow. And I'm going to do that. Now you can go and take any green you want, okay? I'm going to just use that for now. And I'm using my bristle brush, my favorite. And see how nice you get these bits of grass. You hardly have to do anything. And, alright, go right across. If you need more yellow into your blue, go ahead. Hold a brush whatever way works for you, okay? There's no certain way to hold a brush, but just put it on. So just finish that up over here. Good. It's running away on me. Trying to get my shadow out of the way. So I'm just putting that there only just because I want to have something just there, but we have a lot to do. That will be your grass or anything at all that you want down here. You can even continue the sky all the way down if you like. See the grass coming up with that brush? See? Look. Little things coming up there. Just makes the grass for you. Isn't that cool? These are great brushes. Hard to get that with other brushes. You know, it saves you so much time. You ever see some videos where some of the artists are doing every individual little flower and little grass? Well, see, you don't have to. One brush does it all. See? Okay. Flip the brush around. Depends on what, but look at the texture and the little things coming up. Isn't that cool? Alright. Now, that's all I need to do for the background, so I'm going to start the owl now. Now to start this painting, all you have to do is get your owl traced onto your canvas. So all you have to do is get the pattern, which I have the pattern for you on my website, or I will send you a link. And so just get some carbon paper. There are other ways to transfer. I will do a video on that, and or you can email me at allisonparr@yahoo.com and ask me other ways. Right now I just want to get to the owl. So I traced it out with my carbon paper and I taped it down first. Okay, it's taped down. Put the carbon paper underneath, the black side down. Okay, and then you just trace out your pattern. It's mostly for a guideline, okay, because you can make changes along the way. I also use this thing, template for the eyes, because it has these circles on it, perfect circles. Sometimes it's hard to get circles. So if you have one of these, you don't have to, but if you have one, see, you make your eyes, you go in through that circle and you make a circle there, and you make a circle here. And for the smaller circles, there are small little circles there. So these templates are pretty good for, you know, making straight lines and circles and different things. You know, lots of things you can do with this. You can also, in your drawings, you can erase lines and all kinds of things. So I may do a video on that too. So let's get on with the owl.